This is quite honestly the most random game for me to play. I literally have nothing to play, so I literally installed this last night, and I'm just gonna go back and play it. I think the last time I played this game is when, like, Ultron got announced. There is so many random fucking characters in this game now. Like, bro, who the fuck the Phoenix is here, dude? Bro, Deadpool, like a fucking T-Rex, apparently. That's kind of cool. I'll play Psylocke. I'm a Genji main, so, you know, anything with the sword is good for me. I genuinely don't know why I'm playing this game. I literally just have nothing to play, so I mean, you know, fuck it, we ball, I guess. This is very random. What is that? What is this map, dude? What even is that? Hey, he's a battle bus, dude. Let's go. Oh shit, okay. There's a Spider-Man. Please tell me the Spider-Man's on our team. Oh my god, please. No! The Spider-Man is not on our team. That is very scary. Oh my god, bro. That T-Rex is scary. Why doesn't this door open? Open the goddamn door. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, please. I'm being DPS'd by a healer. Oh, I got one. Let's go. Kill the T-Rex. Kill the T-Rex. Come back, you stupid fucking dinosaur bitch. Kill the T-Rex. Yeah. How do I crouch? Can I crouch in this game? I want to teabag the T-Rex. Kill. My god, kill the goddamn Spider-Menace, please. Everyone's popping ults except for me. I probably should use mine at some point. I kind of forgot I had that in this game. Oh, wait, you stupid Spider-Man bitch. Get him. 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 How are you not let, bro? How much HP does she have? Get the T-Rex. Yes. 5-player kill streak. Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? Who is that? Why is she a freaking Ninetales, dude? Oh, please. No. Go away. That magic thought, bro. She thought she had me. Come here. Come here, bitch. I'll 1v1 this magic all day. Come here. Here we go. It's a T-Rex, Jeff. Kill him. Kill the cute cuddly. Oh, God, please. Are you gonna pop your ult, Jeff? What are you doing? There you go. Okay, don't fuck with Jeff. Jeff's kind of fucking about that life, bro. Holy fucking, you killed me. Oh my god, the magic's back. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. No one invited you. Oh my god, please give me a dash. Give me anything. Give me a dash. Give me anything, please. Oh my god, please. Oh, I'm so dead. Jeff, please. I'm about to hit the craziest ult. This is gonna be crazy. You just ulted my ult? That's kind of cringe, to be honest. Oh, fuck. He's throwing a whale at me, bro. Oh, my God, bro. I just got absolutely slammed. Okay, well, this magic is the most fucking... Bro. Holy fucking micro shake, dude. I see the Zims are still in this game. Love to see it. Oh, my God. Black Panther's here. Please give me his health. No, bro. Why couldn't the health come back sooner? Oh, my God, bro. I thought I could get away. Come here, you fucking Punisher, bitch. Where'd you go? Oh my fucking god, I got stuck on the stairs! What is this animation? Who the fuck even is that? That's Mantis. Okay. Throw the disky thing. Oh my god, holy fucking DPS, bro. What the hell just hit me? Okay, Spider-Man? Really? Come here, you bitch. I got swords too. Come here, you fucking bum. Yeah, that's what I thought. Stupid fucking Spider-Menace, bitch. Yeah, there we go. Take a photo with his dead body. That's what you fucking deserve, you piece of shit. This is not what I wanted to open. Okay, I opened my book of combat by accident. Come here, Spider-Man, you bitch. Come here. Come here, Spider-Man. You're such a bum. Come here. You're such a little bitch, bro. Fucking butt. Fucking Spider-Man man's the worst, bro. He didn't see me because he's a stupid idiot. Oh, he did see me. Oh my god, wait. I'm an idiot. Why is he not taking any damage? What are half of these fucking heroes in the game and what do they do? I don't know what any of these upgrades do or what I should be getting, bro. I don't even think I've got a kill yet, to be honest. What the fuck even is Deadpool? I got a kill, never mind, I take it back, let's go. Oh my god, Spider-Man, fuck off, you fucking bum. Where the fuck did you come from? Go away! Fuck off, Spider-Man! Oh my god, I fucking hate this Spider-Man so much. If you main Spider-Man in this game, you will burn eternally in hell. That's just a fact. Go away, Doctor Strange. Go away. Fuck off. Thank you, you fucking bum. Oh my god, I thought there was an enemy magic. I nearly fucking pooped in my pants. Leave me alone, Iron Fist, you fucking bum, bro. Leave me alone. Shh, fucking punch anyone else, bro. Jesus. Oh my god, he's gonna fucking ult me, bro. What the fuck did I do to deserve this? Iron Fist fucking came at me like I burnt dinner, bro. What the fuck was that? Oh, big damage, big damage, big damage. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. How is she not dead? Kill her, please. Get her, get her, get her, get her, get her. Okay, she's dead. There we go. I don't know what this Cosmic Flare ability does. I don't think I've hit it once, to be honest. Kill Strange. Kill him. Oh, big damage. Let's go. Okay, well, that's not good. I'm Earthbound. What does Earthbound mean? Just let me leave, please. Big damage. Come on. He was literally 1 HP, bro. What do you mean no one died to that? Yes, there we go. Get this guy too. Get the Strange. Get the Strange. There we go. We'll lock it in slightly. There's a Cloak and Dagger over here. She's so skinny. How are you supposed to hit her? My god. Fucking have a burger, bro. Why is she so fucking skinny? You are doing too much on this MVP screen, and it is very loud. Can you not? Let's try the Fox bitch. Oh, good. There's 2 other healers. Good, because I wasn't planning on doing fucking anything in terms of healing. I'll probably accidentally heal my teammates because I'll shoot them by accident, so it's fine. I will technically be healing. I just won't mean to do it. Any and all selflessness I show during this match is completely accidental and should not be taken seriously. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing with this character in the slightest. I just got my shit pounded by Thor. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, please. Oh my god. Thor, leave me alone. Why does Thor want to kill me so bad? I don't know what this ult does, but I'm just beating the crap out of someone. Oh my god, I gotta kill. Let's go. We might be cooked. I tried to heal my teammates and I didn't do a very good job. We might cook with her, or we'll miss every shot and die horrible death. I don't know. It kind of remains to be seen. There's a Spider-Man. Oh my fucking god, where is he? Oh my god, bro. Fuck off. The amount of people I see with just like blatant like jitter aim, like they're on mouse and keyboard, bro. Like the amount of fucking zims on this game is insane. I'm playing in console only. I'm not playing against PC players. Like they are genuinely just flat out cheating. Please leave me alone. Oh my fucking god, bro. What is happening? How do you even know I'm here? Go away. Fuck off, Spider-Man main piece of shit, dude. Oh my god, I don't know what her ult does. I haven't actually used it yet, so this is going to be interesting. We're just going to have to throw it out there and hope for the best. Fuck off, Spider-Man. There is other people on the team other than me. Fuck off. There we go. I don't know what that did, but I hit someone with it, so we'll take it, I guess. Go away, Rogue. Oh my god, is that Rogue? I think it's Rogue. No, please, I used the wrong ability. Fuck. Holy fuck, bro. She's so close to being dead. Please kill her. There we go. Oh my god. Who else is here, bro? Leave me alone. Fucking hell, dude. Kill the Rogue. Kill the Rogue. Kill the Rogue. Please kill the Rogue. No, bro. Fuck, she's so weak. Please. Yo, what the fuck is that Deadpool doing? Holy shit. I've got another... Oh, I'm ready to go. Oh yeah, W. Oh, W ult by me. I didn't even know it did that, but I'll take it. Single-handedly won the game. You're welcome, teammates. Completely didn't fucking mean to. Didn't know. I had no idea that's what the ult did, but we'll take it. I thought the ult just damaged things. I didn't know it actually pushed them away. Accidentally came in clutch. Let's go. And this guy's putting "you tried" SM on the fucking chat, bro. That is actually insane. That was a good team. Their Spider-Man was cracked, bro. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing all that? There's no need. It was a good game. I kind of just jumped on this for the memes today. I don't know if I'd actually play it again. I don't even know if I'd play it in my free time, to be honest. I don't know. This hero shooter's always been a little fucking chaotic for me. I'm more of a... I normally play Overwatch. That's my hero shooter. This is a little fucking chaotic, but I don't know what the fuck I'm playing tomorrow. I literally don't. I just installed this and played it for the memes because I had nothing else to do. So, fuck it. I'm definitely not coming back. I'm fighting the urge to go back to Rainbow Six Siege. I know I could go back to Siege and, like, make videos on that again, but I don't want to. I need to keep my sanity intact. I need to fucking just... anything but that. Jesus Christ, please.